Looking to bring vibrant greenery into your space? Artificial grass is your answer. It's not just green, but a game changer in style, convenience, and sustainability. Our artificial grass collection at Hala Furniture transforms dull spaces into lush, year-round beauty. Zero watering, no mowing, and all the comfort you deserve. Choose from a full range of pile heights to suit every space and lifestyle. Go low with 10 to 25 mm for balconies, play areas, and commercial use. Step into softness with 30 to 45 mm, perfect for gardens and patios. Or go plush with our premium 50 and 60 mm options for luxury comfort and realistic texture. Want to get creative? Our artificial grass comes in stunning colors like bold red, bright blue, clean white, natural green, and sleek black. Ideal for events, playgrounds, sports zones, and more. Whether it's a home, office, rooftop, or event space, our team handles everything from site visit to expert installation. You dream it, we install it. Durable, comfortable, always green. Explore Hala Furniture's artificial grass collection today and create your perfect outdoor or indoor vibe today.